Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that how we can repair this Toyota RAV4 four drive car. First is four front and rear drive cars, this bad gearbox. And now I have really situation that this fifth gear is slippery, and it means that this most biggest gear is not working, and how I can repair that thing, because otherwise this gearbox, this manual gearbox is okay and engine is okay, but only fifth gear is not working. And this thing what next I will show and explain to you works also if we have 6-speed gearbox and 6-speed is bad, or then if we have fourth gear is bad, or even in that if we have first gear or reverse is bad. That how we can repair this thing. Okay, and let's go to forward that what is this thing and the solution. Okay, and really this is my old part. This is this fifth gear, and now I have purchased from Toyota dealership center this new fifth gear, and there is this product code, and this is even made in Japan, and this means that this is in best quality in Toyota parts if they are made in Japan. But anyway, also where it's made in USA, it is excellent quality. And now when we select this our gear product number, this is really unique, and like in my this Toyota RAV car, there is different these product and material codes when we have different years. And this is really important that when we purchase our new this manual gears, we have to firstly take our car this serial number, this car's register plate number, or then this car body number. And then Toyota dealership center or internet search place, they tell to us and to me that this product code, what is this 33336 and 42030, this is just right gear, fifth gear to my car. And now I have in here 2 gears, and how it is possible that this old one is different than that one. And then there is really difference that how we can see this thing that this is bad and this is good gear. And soon I will show that idea to you. Okay, and now we can see maybe that how these parts are in here worn out when we compare in that one, especially this shape. This is this thing. Okay, and now when we look at old gear, we can see that in this area, these teeth in here, that one in here, these are worn out. This one, what I am now touching, this one. And what has been happened in there? When we look very accurate way these teeth, we can see that the shape is like that. They are like solid. And now when we look at new one, we can see that this shape is different. There is this angle in that way, an old one, this material has been burned out in here. That part, this is missing, what I touch. And that's old part is slippery because one area is away, and in new area, in new parts, there is this all teeth okay. And now when we look these teeth very carefully, like in this new one, we can see that there is really this movement, this shape, it is different. They looks different and everything is almost similar, but this is this area what worn out, and that's this old gear is slippery. And now when we look in here, we can see maybe this difference in here, that there is really this shape what is like that, in just in these teeth. And now when we look that older one in here, we can notice that they are like shaped in that one, that they are worn out, these things. This is okay, this bigger one, but these are worn out in here. And now we can compare when we install this in this way, and maybe we can see this difference. We look very carefully. There is this, it is difficult to see, but when we look really carefully, we can see this difference in here. That's when we replace this part. Now there's chance to see. And please comment if you notice that there is this burnout in these gears. And this is same idea to all other gears. Fourth gear, third gear, first and second and reverse gear. When we look these things, we can notice that some area is bad. Okay, and then also in the same thing, it is good to replace this change part, what name is sleeve transmission. And now I am planning to install also this part in new one, but I think that this is not so necessary. But some people recommend that I purchase these 3 parts. And then final part is this gear, fifth gear needle bearing. And this is good to purchase because there are those small roller bearings. And there is really this product code. And note that these parts are only to Toyota RAV4 2-liter gasoline engine and year model 2009. Okay, and that kind of information to you, and really this part price is about $200, and this is then this $70, and this is like $30. Okay, that kind of information, and let's look that can we take closer view again in here. And now we can see really well this shape in here. This is this thing. This is new gear. There is the shape is okay. Feel this new gear that we can see this shape. And there is this new gear is this one. And next we look this pad. We have this pad gear. And there is this, we can see this worn out, and some, there is no anymore this shape in this gears, and this is like old one. and this is bad gear. And especially that gear is this issue what we are looking, this area. This is bad old gear, this area.